Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. The human body is an extremely complex machine made up of several smaller machines that work together to keep you alive. Some of these machines are more complicated than others, such as the brain or the heart. But have you ever wondered which organs are the most complex? Well, we've got you covered as we present the 10 most complex organs in the human body. Before we start, please like this video and subscribe so you can get notifications about new videos that we upload. Also, don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. Let's dive in. Number 10. Pancreas. The pancreas is an amazing organ that does a lot of different things. It helps control blood sugar levels by producing insulin and glucagon, to hormones that tell your body how to use sugar for energy. It also makes enzymes that help break down food when you digest it. These enzymes are released into the small intestine where they help break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. This happens when the pancreas doesn't make enough insulin, which causes your body to have too much sugar in its blood. Diabetes can cause a lot of other problems, like nerve damage, eye damage, kidney damage, and even heart disease. That's why it's important to take care of your pancreas and eat healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. You should also exercise regularly and maintain a healthy weight. If you do these things, you can help keep your pancreas working properly and reduce your risk of developing diabetes. Number 9. Spleen. The spleen is an organ that's part of your lymphatic system, and it's located in your upper left abdomen. It's a little bit bigger than a fist and has a lot of important functions. One of the spleen's jobs is to filter out old or damaged red blood cells. When it breaks down these cells, it recycles their parts like iron to be used again by your body. It also stores blood and releases it when your body needs it, like during exercise, or if you lose a lot of blood from an injury. In addition, the spleen helps fight infections by trapping bacteria and other harmful stuff in your blood. It also makes proteins that help with blood clotting. When you get cut or injured, these proteins come into play to stop bleeding and help your body heal itself. The spleen also produces lymphocytes, which are a type of white blood cell that helps your immune system identify and destroy pathogens like bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Without a spleen, you can still live a normal life. However, you may be more susceptible to infections and have a higher risk of bleeding if you get injured. Number 8. Kidney. The kidneys are essential for keeping our bodies healthy because they remove waste products from our blood and help regulate our blood pressure. They also produce hormones that help make red blood cells and keep our bones strong. Unfortunately, many people don't take good care of their kidneys, which can lead to kidney disease. If you don't drink enough water, it can also make your kidneys work harder than they need to, which can lead to kidney stones or chronic kidney disease. But there are some things you can do to take care of your kidneys and keep them healthy. First, eat a healthy diet full of fruits and vegetables and avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. You should also exercise regularly and maintain a healthy weight, since obesity puts extra stress on your kidneys. Finally, don't smoke and limit how much alcohol you consume. By following these tips, you can help keep your kidneys functioning properly for years to come. Number 7. Liver. The liver is one of the most important organs in your body. It plays a key role in digesting fats and producing proteins that help with blood clotting. It also removes toxins from your blood, converts poisons into harmless substances, and produces a chemical that prevents brain cells from being damaged. But unfortunately, you can't live without your liver. It's essential for life. If it stops working, you only have a few days to live. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is a condition that is becoming increasingly common, and it occurs when fat builds up in your liver, causing inflammation and damage. It can lead to liver failure and other serious complications if left untreated. Fortunately, making changes to your diet and lifestyle can often prevent and treat non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Eating a healthy diet full of fruits and vegetables and avoiding processed foods and sugary drinks is a great way to begin. Exercising regularly and maintaining a healthy weight can also help improve your liver health. Quitting smoking and limiting alcohol consumption will protect your liver from further damage and allow it to function properly. Number 6. Stomach. The stomach is a muscular organ that helps break down food and liquid with the help of acids and enzymes. It's responsible for a lot of important things, like helping you digest food and absorb nutrients. It also kills bacteria and other harmful stuff that you might eat or drink. The stomach can be affected by various disorders and diseases, including gastritis. and inflammation of the stomach lining that can cause pain and discomfort. Peptic ulcer disease, which causes ulcers in the stomach or duodenum, the first part of the small intestine, and gastroesophageal reflux disease, also known as acid reflux or GERD, a condition in which stomach acid backs up into the esophagus, causing irritation and inflammation. These conditions can make it difficult to eat and can cause a lot of pain. But luckily, there are treatments available to help manage these disorders and prevent them from getting worse. Eating a healthy diet and making lifestyle changes can make a big difference in managing these conditions. Number 5. Small intestine. The small intestine is a long, winding tube that's responsible for absorbing most of the nutrients in the food you eat. It's about 20 feet long, but it's only about an inch wide. The small intestine is divided into 3 sections: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Each section has a specific role to play in digesting your food. The duodenum is the first part of the small intestine, where digested acids and enzymes from the stomach mix with bile from the liver and pancreatic juices from the pancreas. This mixture helps break down your food into tiny particles that can be absorbed by the body. The jejunum and ileum are the last 2 sections of the small intestine, where most of the nutrients in your food are absorbed. These nutrients then enter your bloodstream and are transported to the rest of your body. The small intestine also has tiny finger-like projections called villi that help increase the surface area of the intestine, allowing for more efficient absorption of nutrients. If you want to keep your small intestine healthy, eat a balanced diet full of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods provide the necessary vitamins and minerals to keep your small intestine functioning properly. You should also exercise regularly and maintain a healthy weight. This will help improve blood flow to your small intestine and reduce the risk of developing digestive problems. Number 4. Skin. The skin is the largest organ in the human body, and it serves as a protective barrier against the external environment. Unfortunately, the skin can be damaged by exposure to the sun, pollution, and certain chemicals, leading to skin diseases like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. To keep your skin healthy, it's essential to protect it from the sun by wearing sunscreen, eating a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, staying hydrated, and using gentle skincare products. Number 3. Lungs. The lungs are one of the most important organs in the body and are responsible for providing oxygen to the body while removing carbon dioxide. They also help regulate blood acidity and protect against foreign particles and pathogens. Unfortunately, lung diseases like asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and lung cancer can cause inflammation, scarring, and other damage to the lungs, leading to difficulty breathing and other symptoms. To keep your lungs healthy, it's important to avoid smoking and secondhand smoke. Eat a healthy diet full of fruits and vegetables, exercise regularly, and maintain a healthy weight and protect yourself from the sun by wearing sunscreen. Number 2. Brain. The brain is arguably the most important and complex organ in the body. It controls everything you do, from thinking and feeling to moving and breathing. It receives messages from the body through nerves and sends out signals to different parts of the body telling them what to do. Unfortunately, the brain can be affected by various diseases and disorders, including Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and multiple sclerosis. These conditions can cause problems with memory, thinking, and movement, as well as other symptoms. To keep your brain healthy, it's important to eat a diet full of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Exercise regularly and challenge your mind by learning new things and socializing with others. Number 1. Eyes. The eyes are one of the most complex and fascinating organs in the body. They allow us to see the world around us, and they do it in an incredibly intricate and precise way. The eyes are able to capture light waves and focus them onto the retina, which is a layer of tissue at the back of the eye. The retina contains photoreceptor cells that convert light into electrical signals. These signals are then sent to the brain via the optic nerve, where they are interpreted as images. The eyes are made up of several different parts, each of which plays an important role in vision. The cornea and lens help focus light onto the retina. The pupil and iris control the amount of light that enters the eye, and the vitreous humor helps to give the eye its shape. Unfortunately, the eyes can be affected by various diseases and disorders, including glaucoma, cataracts, and macular degeneration. These conditions can cause vision loss and even blindness if left untreated. To keep your eyes healthy, it's important to eat a diet full of fruits and vegetables, wear sunglasses that protect against UV rays, and check your eyes regularly with a comprehensive eye exam. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. See you next time.